In this video, I'll show you how to change or add profile picture in Outlook. So I'm going to open my Outlook now. So this is it. I'm going to click on this. Right now, I'm going to be able to click on the settings icon. So once that's opened up, what you need to do now, click on accounts. So click on edit. Okay, click on this. So this is going to come out, right? So click on your profile. Okay, wait. I think from here. So okay, show us. Okay, yeah, so show us, click on customize. So right now you can be able to see this. If you click on edit, you can be able to choose any of these, right? As a profile, you can just type in hey if you want. So I think it's just to basically you can be able to select any of this if you want. So you can be able to do this. So you can be able to do this if you want. So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.